Hey guys, Connor here again at Earth Motorcars. I got a really special one for you here today. 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, the legendary Roadrunner car here. Super cool green color here, guys. This guy is original numbers matching 383 engine and 727 3-speed automatic. Take a look here. This car is as clean as a pin. We've done a couple of upgrades on this guy here, so we did add on a vintage air system on this guy, so AC blows ice cold on it. It does have a Holley Sniper EFI fuel injection system on there. Kind of tried to hide it as best we can. You can see the little coil right here, but I mean, this thing fires up and runs. Our goal with this car is to try and make like a highway cruiser that's the original 383 in this car, but you can still drive it on the highway, everything like that with modern fuel injection, modern AC, that kind of stuff. Special car though. Beautiful color. Whenever we got it in, we had to do some interior work to this guy, but now, like I said, the interior is about as clean as you can get it in one of these. New seats, front and back, new carpet, custom green Roadrunner floor mats in this guy. Super clean. Along with that EFI system on here, we did do Dakota digital gauges in this guy, so these gauges are like a factory look-alike gauge, but you have a modern digital setup on here, odometer, trip, everything like that. Of course, you couldn't do a Roadrunner. The meep. Vinyl top is in excellent condition on here too. No rust. White is gorgeous on here. Matches the interior great. Come in here, take a look at the trunk. I wish you guys could come in and see this in person because there's not a speck of imperfection in this paint too. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up, but I mean, same thing in the trunk. Factory spare tire, your factory jack and everything's even in here too, hidden underneath. But the green goes in and out. This car is as clean underneath as it is on top. See if we can capture some undercarriage photos of it because it's beautiful. Redline tires on there, factory 15s on it. We're not trying to do some like 18s on here. We're trying to leave this thing as original as possible, but make it to where you can still drive it every day. Come in here, take a look at this other side too. Of course, the Roadrunner badge on top. Clean as a pin, guys. Now, the beautiful thing about this car is it is a 383, it is a 3-speed, but it does have a 323 rear-end gear ratio, so you should be able to do 60, 70 miles on the highway without any problem. The main problem that you have, a lot of these cars, they're geared to your top speeds like 60, you know what I mean? But this thing with that sniper system, that AC, you can cruise around in it all day long, drive it everywhere you want to, will never leave you stranded. Well, let's go for a drive, and I want to show you how well of a cruiser this thing is. Let's go. All right, let's go. It's quiet, man. This thing just runs so good. 383 original engine. It's not a hot can. We're not sitting here shaking, sputtering, everything like that. I mean, like, it runs like a top. Let's go for a drive. I would say this is a car that would be an excellent cruiser type car. You're not going to win any of the drag races against Mustang, Camaros, Chevelles, any of the hot rodders, you know what I mean? This car maybe makes like 250 horsepower with that 383. It's not bad. It's more than enough to get you out of the way, but this is a awesome, like, you want to hop in it, take it to a car show. There are plenty of Mustangs, Camaros, Chevelles at every car show that you go to. How many green Roadrunners are at car shows that you go to, guys? I mean, come on now. The nice thing about having those big, thick sidewall tires on it too is I'm floating down the road. I'm driving this car with one thumb right now, and that's it. I mean, you're cruising down here, you can hit the potholes the size of craters on the moon, I would say, and you're still just floating along. Not a care in the world. Look here. Nothing. Other cars with those 18s, 20s on there, I mean, you're kind of like bouncing up and down, you know. It's hard to hear. The car's rattling like crazy. They're muscle cars. That's what they're expected to be, but this thing's an awesome cruiser. I kind of reflect on it, and it's weird for me to think about how people used to daily drive these type of cars every day. Just how wild of a life that is. I'm only 27 is how old I am, so these cars are long before my time. But I could see somebody getting in a car like this and driving this every day, just because of how smooth it is. Maybe my take on it is because I'm so used to all the cars being hopped up and cammed out and crazy engines, transmissions, but this thing, I mean, I could hop in this car and drive it every day for a year to work, I feel like, and be totally fine with it. AC works great, vintage air. Obviously you guys can't feel it through the camera, but the air kicks on, everything like that. And these are all digital controls underneath here too, so we kept the factory switches, but these are all digital in there, so no cables or anything like that. Here, I'm gonna get on a little bit. See her pick up. I mean, it's not bad. It moves. That was 60. It certainly gets out of its own way, is what I'll say. Whenever you guys come to the dealership too, you can certainly see how bad Midway is. This is the road right off our dealership here, and this road is in horrible condition. But again, this car, floating down the road, I can't even tell that we're hitting bumps right now, but I know we are, believe me, with all the cars that I've driven. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this Roadrunner. Come in, take it for a spin, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.